Excited to unveil the XCMG TV12. It's a track skid loader, beautiful machines, hydraulics ready to go. Comes standard with the buckets, easily adaptable for forks. Beautiful machines. I've got 2 of them, sold my first one today. I've got another one on a long-term rental. The end users are excited about these machines. They come with the Yanmar 72 horsepower turbocharged water-cooled machine. The beautiful thing is the price point is unbelievable. Beautiful machines. They're coming standard with a 3-year, 3,000-hour warranty. One of the most versatile machines that you can find on any job site. They're beautiful, set up with the hydraulics, which means the end user have the ability to put common attachments on these. You can put brooms, you can put a wide range of attachments. Absolutely beautiful. Excited to unveil the Ready Dig XCMG TV12.